YouTube, TikTok. Okay, so today is another trade recap. Like I said from yesterday's video, I got two trades, and I do have a swing trade on Bitcoin if y'all do want to stay in tune for that, but that's going to happen in the second portion of this video. Let's get into the futures side here, and I think I accidentally used my small lot size. So this is the reason why I have a 1 to 4 up here. But let's pretty much get into it. And we also had CPI news data, which is like really big. And I saw a lot of people lose funded accounts. And it was just like insanely crazy. And I saw like the TGR thing where, he placed that trade and it didn't like wick him out. And it almost happened for me. But I clicked exit before it actually did hit my take profit. So yeah, let's get into like the mindset and how I was able to be able to take this trade. So we have strong 4 hour liquidity here, London low here, London high here, and then in pre-market, so we got a pre-market sweep here. So and my bias is pretty much longs here. So we already get a pre-market sweep of this really strong 4 hour liquidity that I had marked out, and yeah, it's like right there. So I can show y'all that. And this is London high right here, and then this is pretty much what I was targeting. I was pretty much targeting London high when I woke up and I saw. I was like, okay, that sounds like really good take profit. And I accidentally clicked my small lot size, and right as market opened, um, I think it wicked me out at like almost 9 o'clock. So I mean, just a little bit before um pre after market open, and yeah, I was trying to pass a couple of fundeds, and I mean it just pretty much wicked me out. CPI news data dropped and it wicked me, and I clicked exit. But that was pretty much it in terms of trading news right there. So pretty much by entering my trade as soon as we made a couple of candles down, and then CPI news data came out and it hit my TP. But the only bad thing was is I just used my small lot size and I only made like 1,070. I wish I would have clicked my bigger one, but yeah. And then in terms of like talking tomorrow, I mean, look at this insane sell-off that we have here. We have a lot of accumulation here. So, I mean, maybe once I get done marking out what I'm gonna mark out after this video is done, I might post a YouTube short so I can show y'all like what I'm marking out and stuff. Cause this video will get like really long because I really want to talk about this BTC trade here. Let's actually get on like 15 minute and like shrink this down so I can pretty much break down. This was a swing trade, so it did take a couple of days, but if y'all want to try something new and if futures is not working out, that is something that I really like to do, like pretty much in my spare time. So this was a trade, and I actually made like more off this than I did in my futures trade here. So basically, we have some we're gonna try to show y'all the patterns again here. So we pretty much have this. Actually, I'll get into this here in a second. Like that. Let me actually like clear this, and I'll show y'all like the pattern that I was able to trade here, because I almost pattern trade BTC here. I think I posted in another video, and I think a lot of y'all liked it. So we're gonna come back and do it again. All right. So basically, we have some 4 hour strong block orders right here. I like to use that instead of liquidity, but I like to call it block orders. All right, so basically we have the high right here. So we have a high right here. This is a strong 4 hour here, and this is pretty much the entry for the trade there. And this is let me clear that. Okay, let me just make sure I set up everything. I wish I would have done this earlier. Let's also come here and actually draw this way, and let's draw this way here. I think yesterday's was a lot better. All right, so let's get into this. Okay, strong 4 hour blockchain orders. Orders were filled here. We have orders that were filled here, and then we have some accumulation here. So this is another word that I like to use in terms of be able to trade BTC here. So basically, let me deep dive into what is going on here. Y'all can see my past trade here that I talked about there. It was a lot cleaner than what I traded here, But well, let's get into this. So after the trade that I took last time, if y'all guys want to go back and watch that, that is a really good pattern trade video, and I'll really break it down, and I really like that one for y'all to be able to watch here. So basically, we have strong orders here that got placed via accumulation here, and then we made a nice move upwards, creating another high. Now, if we're trading with the trend here, we're making higher highs and lower lows. So I actually should have been trading shorts here because this high is lower than this high. So I think it'll be way better to be able to trade downside. Um, if y'all want to keep continuing trading BTC, to give y'all some outlook on that. So basically, what I traded here was accumulation, and then basically trading with the trend. If y'all catch my drift in terms of trading this here. So we had orders filled here, and then we had a nice sell off, and then we had some strong accumulation here. Then we broke structure here. Let me clear this off. Let me actually clear off the circle drawing if it'll let me. I think it's giving me a hard time. All right, so it sold off here, broke the 4-hour block orders here, and we were able to trade on the upside. So it was pretty much just sweeping block orders really to be able to catch the entry. So we just block order sweep pretty much in terms of same as like a liquidity sweep here. I mean, orders were just filled a nice amount there to be able to trade to the upside. So this was a string trade, and we made like $2,000, I think, almost off of this, which was nice. So to be able to keep trading with the pattern here, I think if it does come above this, then I mean we can get a nice reversal and be able to, be able to trade that as well. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Just accumulation, and then we broke 4-hour block order sesh, and then we were able to trade to the second high here. So that was really nice. I think I really do like the other trade that I took. This trade, if I were to put it, I think last trade was like an A tier, and I was able to deep dive into like the patterns that I trade here. But this is just trading, catching a smaller uphill. I probably should have really traded like up here, which would have been way better, honestly. So I want to say this is the best trade that I could have took here. I'm just saying it is something to be able to trade, because I mean it is a pretty decent setup, because I mean we did break 4-hour block order, and then I was also able to catch my entry here since we decided to break it once again, and we were able to trade to the upside. So that's how I knew we were gonna get a reversal really. You just need to watch for 4-hour breaking here, so y'all can be able to catch it here, and then wait for it to break it again, so then you can catch the uphill on it. But I think, yeah, there was no way we were trading downside here, because I mean this is just pure accumulation as of right there. There's really nothing to trade right there. So y'all guys just need to make sure y'all catch y'all's entries there. That's why I kind of preach, have decent entries here. So I'm gonna delete all of this, and we will actually no. I'll just take off that, and then take off this, because I mean we still didn't even break this high. So I mean if we break this high, we could have a reversal, or we could even continuing upwards. But that is going to be for another video. So like I'm saying, let's get into some motivation we pretty much have here. So basically, motivation is like really. Hold on, let me find my notes here. Actually, yeah, that's actually for a different video, really. Oh, yeah. Okay, found it there. Okay. Y'all guys need to stop, like, procrastinating for real. Like, I feel like y'all guys can accomplish this faster than y'all, like, really realize here. Like, I mean, I keep posting videos each and every single day. I'm bringing trade recaps, and y'all might think it's like a strategy or something. Nah, I think it's just like procrastination, really. Like, y'all need to attack this. Like, I'm the type of person to throw me in the deep end, and I'll be able to figure it out. And I feel like y'all need to develop. I think that's a more of a mindset thing than a skill thing, to be honest with y'all. So just try it. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of traders fail. I'm pretty sure TJR failed. Julian Petrulis failed a whole bunch. That's just to name some traders that is just not me, because I guarantee you they failed hundreds of times before they actually pick up the skill of trading, for real. So I think y'all just need to stop procrastinating and really throw yourselves in the deep end, because I feel like y'all learn more than just trying to consume video after video after video. Like, throw yourself in the deep end. Like, I feel okay, yeah, y'all are watching these videos to be able to, get some guidance on here, but I think y'all just need to stop watching the videos and really just throw yourselves in the deep end and pick up some discipline. Like, just know, okay, I need to develop a growth mindset so I could really pick up the skill. I feel like you'll pick it up even faster if you fail a couple of times. Like, I know you're gonna not pass those funded accounts. I'm pretty sure us quote unquote successful traders um failed multiple funded accounts. You're gonna pick up the skill eventually. Just attack it, really. I think you already know that you're gonna fail. You shouldn't be scared of failing. Failing is where you learn the skill. It's where you actually pick it up. So don't be scared. Just throw yourself in the deep end. Really, I mean, there's actually like um start on demo. You don't have to jump in straight into a live, not a live account, a funded account. Start on demo. Do like 3 to 6 months of that, and then jump on a funded. And then once you get into doing like all of that, then you could either decide to stay on fundeds. But that's for your own personal thing. Uh, that's for your own personal thing, like I just said. But I think I made a good point. Stop being scared. Failing is where you learn the most, and then throw yourself in the deep end so you could honestly learn more. That's how I really picked up the skill. Like, I just started on demo for three. I think I did demo for like 3 to 5 months, and then I started doing fundeds, and then yeah, I'm here now, and it's really nice. Like y'all will really learn the skill. So, stop procrastinating. Failing a lot is where you'll actually learn, and just throw yourself in the deep end. I mean, that's pretty much it in terms of, stop being lazy. Just, start on demo, 3 to 5 months, jump on fundeds. And then after that, I'm pretty sure you have already picked up the skill and you can decide if you want to stay on fundeds or jump to a live. But yeah, I think this is like really the keynote. Stop procrastinating, so y'all can actually like start this. It's good that y'all keep watching the videos, because I mean, obviously you need to learn a little bit if you find the strategy, but that's for like a different video. So that's gonna be pretty much it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.